Bell 360 Invictus, an attack and reconnaissance aircraft designed by Bell Textron. The Bell 360 Invictus is a clean-sheet, digitally designed weapon system that features advanced, lethal, and open mission systems. These open systems provide operators with improved survivability and affordable upgradability, which keep this aircraft ready to fly in any condition. The Bell 360 Invictus integrates FLIR's electronics and a turret for carrying weapon systems. It also comes fitted with high-intensity lighting systems. The FLIR 360 degrees perception technology gives the unmanned vehicle the flexibility during critical missions. Bell's proprietary tools based on the digital thread connect all aspects of design, supply chain, and maintenance. By allowing real-time collaboration, this digital toolkit reduces hundreds of man-hours and downstream costs by facilitating smoother manufacturing, better sustainability, and fewer schedule risks. An innovative extension of the digital thread, the digital twin offers a 3D modeling environment and provides a common data source throughout the life cycle of the aircraft, monitoring survivability and enabling test scenarios to be modeled as battlefield technology evolves. The NH90 Sea, a variant of the NH Industries NH90, a European medium-sized, twin-engine, multi-role military helicopter. The NH90 Sea is based on the NH90 NFH NATO frigate helicopter and has been specifically designed to match the needs of the German Navy for a state-of-the-art anti-submarine warfare helicopter. It integrates FLIR's electronics and a turret for carrying weapon systems and also comes fitted with high-intensity lighting systems. The FLIR 360 degrees perception technology gives the unmanned vehicle the flexibility during critical missions. The German Navy's version, known as the NH90 Sea Lion, first flew on December 8, 2016. Its 18 NH90 Sea Lions are equipped with improved navigation and communications equipment permitting operation within civil airspace, along with additional sensors for military missions. The Robust Robotic Combat Vehicle, or Robust, a medium robotic combat vehicle developed by the Israeli Ministry of Defense in collaboration with Israeli security industries led by Elbit Systems. Unveiled in June 2022, the Robust is designed to enhance the autonomous battlefield capabilities of the Israeli Defense Forces. Based on the advanced BLR-2 robotic combat platform, this 6x6 multipurpose uncrewed ground vehicle boasts advanced maneuvering capabilities and can transport diverse and heavy mission loads. It's armed with a 30mm autonomous turret and can operate seamlessly both day and night, irrespective of weather conditions. The Robust was developed as a technological demonstrator in line with the autonomous battlefield concept and features an open architecture to integrate future capabilities with a wider range of robotic tools and functionalities. The C-UAS Strykers, a part of the U.S. Army's Mobile Counter-Drone program. This system is a game-changer in the field of military technology. It moves from two vehicles into a single Stryker armored fighting vehicle. This innovative shift not only reduces cost but also eases sustainment and increases reliability, making it a highly efficient system for modern warfare. The C-UAS Strykers are equipped with both kinetic and non-kinetic defeat capabilities. This means they have the power to intercept and destroy both air and land targets, providing a comprehensive defense solution. The move from two vehicles to one also reduces the crew size from 8 to possibly 4 on the Stryker, further reducing costs associated with training and equipping personnel. One of the standout features of the C-UAS Stryker is its significant commonality with the Army's Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense System, which is also based on the Stryker vehicle. This commonality allows for streamlined training and maintenance, further enhancing the efficiency of these systems. In conclusion, the C-UAS Strykers represent a significant advancement in military technology, equipping units with unmatched agility and firepower. As we continue to see the evolution of warfare, Systems like the C-UAS Strykers will undoubtedly play a crucial role in ensuring the success of military operations. The Starstreak, a British short-range surface-to-air missile manufactured by Thales Air Defence. The Starstreak is unique in its class, accelerating to more than Mach 3 after launch, making it the fastest short-range surface-to-air missile in existence. It then launches 3 laser beam-riding submunitions, increasing the likelihood of a successful hit on the target. The Starstreak has been in service with the British Army since 1997 and was relaunched as Force Shield in 2012. Development on the missile began in the early 1980s, and it has proven to be a game-changer in modern warfare. With a mass of 14 kilograms, length of 1.397 m, diameter of 13 centimeters, effective firing range of 0.3 to 7 kilometers, and a maximum speed of more than Mach 3 at second stage burnout. The Starstreak equips units with unmatched agility and firepower. The Army Tactical Missile System, or ATACMS, a long-range, guided missile system developed by the U.S. defense company Ling Temcovot and later Lockheed Martin. The ATACMS is a tactical ballistic missile designed to strike high-value targets like airfields, artillery and missile forces, supply areas, and command groups. It can be fired from the tracked M270 multiple launch rocket system and the wheeled M142 high-mobility artillery rocket system. The ATACMS uses solid propellant, is 13 feet long and 24 inches in diameter, and the longest range variants can fly up to 190 miles. This missile system is primarily tailored for modern warfare, equipping units with unmatched long-range firepower. The Black Hornet 4, the latest generation of the nano-drone series developed by Teledyne FLIR Defense. Despite its small size, measuring less than a foot long and weighing only 70 grams, this unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is packed with advanced features. The Black Hornet 4 boasts a new 12-megapixel daytime camera with superior low-light performance and a high-resolution thermal imager, delivering crisp video and still images. It has a flight time of over 30 minutes, a range greater than 2 kilometers, and can withstand 25-knot winds. One of its key advancements is its obstacle avoidance capabilities, enhanced by an advanced battery. Its extremely low visual and audible signature allows it to identify threats day or night without being detected. The Black Hornet 4 can be launched in less than 20 seconds and is well suited for missions in GPS-denied environments. Currently used by military and security forces in over 40 countries, it's an essential tool for reconnaissance, immediate ISR, covert operations, and force protection missions. The Viper 40, a micro-tactical loitering munition unmanned aerial system, or UAS, developed by Spear UAV. This drone is a game-changer in modern warfare. It's small enough to fit into a combat vest and can be launched from a grenade launcher, such as the M320. The Viper 40 is known for its unparalleled accuracy, delivering precision targeting at ranges of up to 1,000 meters, regardless of external conditions. Once launched, it provides an advanced bird's-eye view, enabling clear line-of-sight targeting and diversion capabilities. The drone weighs 450 grams, has a speed of 15 meters per second, a range of 5 kilometers, and an endurance of up to 25 minutes. It seamlessly integrates with existing military hardware, making it an essential asset for modern-day warfare. The Viper 40 was unveiled by Spear UAV on October 6, 2022, and is primarily tailored for the unpredictable terrains of challenging conditions and bustling urban locales. The VBAT, a next-generation, rapid employment, optionally lethal vertical takeoff and landing small unmanned aerial system developed by Shield AI. This drone is revolutionizing modern warfare with its unique design and capabilities. The VBAT's patented duct fan design increases thrust by over 80% at equivalent engine power, enabling takeoff and landing with a single power plant and achieving unmatched payload mass fraction. It supports a wide range of interchangeable and customizable payloads and sensors, including EO/MWIR cameras, AIS, and land/maritime wide area search AI-based capabilities. The VBAT is a tactical asset with strategic implications. It is fully deployable by a two-person team and packs up to fit in the back of a pickup truck or UH-60 Blackhawk. The future of VBAT includes autonomous read and react mission execution with intelligent teams of VBATS. ELTA, North America's air defense radars. ELTA, a global leader in the field of radar systems, offers a range of air defense radars designed to provide early warning, detection, and tracking. These radars are available in multiple bands and sizes for a variety of missions, including fire control, surveillance and counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar operations. With both active and passive options, these systems are capable of defending against a broad range of threats. For instance, the 2083 aerostat system, deployed at high altitude, uses an advanced active electronically scanning array, L-band radar to detect and track multiple targets including aircraft, cruise missiles, and other low-flying threats, well beyond the range of ground-based radars. These radars are designed to meet the complex requirements of modern warfare, providing robust, advanced technologies to address not just today's threats, but tomorrow's threats too. The Ripsaw M5, a next-generation, rapid employment, optionally lethal vertical takeoff and landing small unmanned aerial system developed by Shield AI. This drone is revolutionizing modern warfare with its unique design and capabilities. The Ripsaw M5 has a maximum gross weight of 3,855.54 kilograms and can carry payloads weighing up to 2,721.5 kilograms. It has a maximum speed of 25 plus mph and a payload capacity of 8,000 pounds. The Ripsaw M5 is based on designs from 4 previous generations of Ripsaw tracked vehicles and is an extremely mobile, unmanned robotic vehicle suitable for all-terrain conditions. This high modularity makes it suitable for several applications. Its open and flat architecture enables the integration of different payloads for multiple combat applications. The Ripsaw M5 integrates FLIR's electronics and a turret for carrying weapon systems. It also comes fitted with high-intensity lighting systems. The FLIR 360 degrees perception technology gives the unmanned vehicle the flexibility during critical missions. The Convair Model 49, an ambitious proposal for a transforming, heavily armed, fire support aircraft for the U.S. Army. This aircraft did not fit the normal mold for either an airplane or a helicopter, representing something entirely new. It was intended to be versatile, rugged, and quick to deploy, but with the ability to loiter or hover above the battle zone ready for action. Propulsive power came from turbine engines driving counter-rotating propellers within the shroud. The Convair Model 49 was a proposal in the Army's Advanced Aerial Fire Support System competition of the 1960s. At first glance, it looks like it was ripped straight from a 1950s science fiction movie, but it was indeed a real design. While it was never actually produced or used in operations, it remains one of the oddest and most innovative aviation designs ever put forth. The Thermosight HIS-HD, a thermal sniper sight developed by Teledyne FLIR Defense. This sight is revolutionizing long-range precision, providing clear optics for snipers and machine gun crews. It mounts on MIL STD 1913 rails and interfaces with various day scopes and weapons. The HIS-HD features a high-definition, HD, and high operating temperature, hot, cryo-cooled focal plane, providing a fixed 4-degree field of view with motorized focus. Its clip-on design allows it to be easily mounted on any MIL STD 1913 rail interface forward of an existing scope. One of its most impressive features is its ability to detect the trajectory of bullets fired from a sniper's rifle at a distance of up to 2,200 meters, even in broad daylight. The HIS-HD also comes with an optional remote control pendant, enhancing shooting stability and reducing revealing movements. The M32 multi-shot grenade launcher, also known as the M32 Six-Shooter, This handheld six-shot grenade launcher is in use with SOCOM and the U.S. Marine Corps. The M32 MGL can lay down a high volume of fire. All 6 rounds can be fired in just 3 seconds. It can fire all of the low-velocity 40mm grenades in use with the U.S. military, including high-explosive rounds, smoke canopies, White Star cluster flare grenades, and more. The M32 features a stainless steel barrel with progressive rifling, a 4-rail Picatinny rail system around the barrel, a collapsible modular buttstock, and a reflex sight. This grenade launcher is primarily tailored for modern warfare, equipping units with unmatched firepower. Ohio Ordnance Works, a world-class manufacturer known for its production of light, medium, and heavy machine guns. This company, which began by manufacturing parts for the repair and rebuild of commercially owned Class 3 firearms in the United States, has grown to serve military, law enforcement, and government clients worldwide. Ohio Ordnance is renowned for its domestically popular BAR, HCAR, and semi-auto belt-fed platforms like the M249 and M240. Internationally, they're recognized for building belt-fed machine guns for militaries across the globe, including securing a few contracts for the U.S. military. They also offer mounting solutions for various platforms, including vehicles, water and aircraft, and ground use. In addition to their manufacturing prowess, Ohio Ordnance provides arsenal-level repair and rebuild, training, and rental services. The Rogue One, a next-generation, rapid employment, optionally lethal vertical takeoff and landing small unmanned aerial system developed by Teledyne FLIR Defense. This drone is revolutionizing modern warfare, enabling warfighters to conduct precision strikes against moving and stationary armored targets, soft-skinned vehicles, and dismounted threats. With burst speeds in excess of 70 miles per hour, a 30-minute endurance, and a range beyond 10 kilometers, the Rogue One is designed for versatility, survivability, and lethality. Its state-of-the-art fusing system allows for safing, recovery, and reuse. The Rogue One offers ultimate mission adaptability with the ability to target disengage, ret-ask, safe, recover, and reuse. It comes with modular payloads for specific missions including various lethal effects, dedicated surveillance, and training configurations. Designed for a single operator with advanced autonomy for fully autonomous engagements, the Rogue One is resilient in complex and contested environments.